So what's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the portable water dispenser. Now, I'm not talking about a complete water dispenser, but I'm talking about this kind of bad boy here. Well, what's goody about this bad boy? Well, this kind of bad boy, you just need your water, like the one I'm having in here, the gigantic. This one, it's 18.9 liters, which supports 18 liters. And another good stuff about it, it supports up to 10 liters. Now, the only thing goodness about this bad boy, you just have to grab this kind of device, keep it on your water dispenser or your water bottle. Water dispenser? Nah. You're supposed to not keep it on your water dispenser. You're supposed to keep it on your water bottle. And when you're done, you just press the button and water comes out. And the goodness about it is just rechargeable. You can charge it and use it for quite a while. It says single charge lasts for 6 hours. Now that's just a single charge. When it's complete full, well, it lasts for days and days after you charge it. So it's a really nice and amazing device, I can say. It's a good gadget just to check it out and experience and how good it is. So today we're going to unbox this VADZ0002K. Why does Von come up with this type of names? Come on, Von, try to make it look much easier. Looks like a while. So anyways, we're gonna just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's goody inside. So yeah, so first thing first, you're getting this kind of paperwork to showcase you how you can keep your water dispenser onto your big bad boy of water, which it's gonna be really great. And what they stated on here on the paperwork, they said it has a portable water dispenser, it comes with a USB cord, it has an inlet hose, which means it's a pipe which goes inside, if I'm not mistaken, and this manual. So yeah, so we're gonna just check out what inside. Whoa, that's cool. We'll keep it aside first. And what's in here? So you're getting this kind of post, I can say, which has a warranty of 12-month warranty. Quite not bad, but yeah. And another kind of stuff, you're getting a USB for charging. This USB looks so cheap, Von. Come on, if you're just working on something like this, at least give us something much decent. This looks like the button phones USB, which we usually reveal it here at the studio. So anyway, it's quite not bad, but you get a micro USB-A to a micro cable. Quite not bad. So yeah, so the bad boy. So this is our bad boy, as you can see, guys. Really nice, well packed. And as you can see, it has 1200 milliamp of battery inside of this kind of bad boy, and this is how it looks like. Goes throughout your big bad boy of water, depending on you how much you want it. And throughout here, this is your pipe. And yeah, we're gonna just do fully configuration and how we can install it and drink our water. It's called water, no water, you know what I mean? But it's overall good. You name it, it's water. It's quite not bad. So I think, where does this kind of bad boy goes? Because I'm a little bit skeptical. Does it go here, or where does it really actually goes? Because if this one, oh, now I get it. This I know where it goes. So you just have to you just have to connect your portable water dispenser inside this pipe, just like that, guys. Make sure that it's locked in. They usually say it's locked in. Make sure that it's just locked in on the pipe and a bad boy in here, and you connect it here. So this one goes inside this bad boy. Now we're gonna just test it right now and keep it inside, but make sure that you just keep this cable steady. You just don't want to dirtify, because it will dirtify your water. So you want things to be just steady and you drink a clean water. So guys, right now we are testing our portable water dispenser just by tapping in here. There we go, we are getting water. It's called water. You just tap on there once, and when you stop it, it just stop doing the stuff, pumping the water up. When you tap it again, it will just do the thing. You get your water there. Really perfect. I think this is a really nice thing, to be honest, to be having, so as you can drink your water. So whenever you just feel like you just want to grab a cup of water, you just have to grab something like this. Now, this kind of device, I got it from GX or Gadgetronics. Some of you guys, if you don't know, you're living in Arusha, you know GX. So you just go over there for the home appliances side. You can get this kind of bad boy from Von, and it's really amazing. That's it about the portable water dispenser from Von. It's a really nice and amazing equipment to be having for your gigantic, massive water bottles, which it's really incredible. To be honest, to be just having it and consume your water, and to be in a greatness throughout, having your water ready throughout there. I don't want to go deeper throughout there because the equipment just explains to itself how good it is. The only downside, which I think they should have been making it, is the lock. You see, it's just easy to remove it. So if they could just put a lock somewhere here, like you know, turning it around to have a lock, it would be much better. If they're working on the version 2, they should fix that. So anyways, it's a really nice and incredible device or tool to be having, and I really recommend it for some of you guys out there living a bachelor's life, and it's a really good thing. Don't start throwing a lot of words in the comment because I know you guys, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here, and yeah, we talk tech, we do vlogs, bunch of stuff. When you join throughout this kind of channel, you're gonna be enjoying a lot of greatness content out there, and it's gonna be really amazing. So let's stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.